Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we untangle the confusing language of big business and financial reports. Today we're diving into a filing from Regional Management Corp, and let's just say they're getting ready for some important conversations. Scroll form 8 coin scroll. So what exactly is this filing about? Well, it looks like a company called Regional Management Corp is getting ready to talk with bankers and investors. They're not announcing anything specific like a merger or a big earnings surprise, but they are attaching a presentation they'll be using. Think of it as their company show and tell for important people. Scroll date of report, date of earliest event reported. The 20th of February 2026, Fi Scroll. The filing itself is dated the 20th of February 2026. This tells us when they officially submitted this information to the authorities. Regional Management Corp is a Delaware incorporated company. This is pretty common for businesses in the United States. Now let's talk about what they actually do. Regional Management Corp has common stock trading on the New York Stock Exchange under the ticker symbol RM. This means their shares are available for anyone to buy and sell on one of the world's largest stock markets. They are in the business of managing something, perhaps companies or perhaps regional operations, and this presentation is likely to give an overview of their performance and strategy. The main piece of news here is that they're attaching a presentation. This is a disclosure under what's called Regulation FD. Essentially, this rule makes sure that when a company tells important information to one person like a big investor, it has to make that same information available to everyone else too. So by attaching this presentation to their filing, they're making it public. This presentation is labeled as Exhibit 99.1. It is dated February 2026. The company states that this presentation is for meetings with bankers, investors, and others. This implies it's likely a summary of their business financial standing and future outlook, which is exactly what we look for in these filings. While we don't have the presentation itself within this document, we know it exists and is accompanying this report, which means we can infer the type of information it contains. So what's the story here? Regional Management Corp is preparing to engage with the financial community. They're providing them with information likely focusing on their operational performance, financial health, and strategic direction. This is a standard but important step for any publicly traded company looking to maintain investor confidence or potentially seek future funding. The fact that they are distributing this presentation suggests they have positive developments to share, or at least a clear plan for the future that they want to communicate effectively. It's not a bombshell announcement, but rather a proactive move to manage perceptions and inform key stakeholders. Now, looking at this from a broader perspective, Regional Management Corp is operating in a landscape where transparency and clear communication with investors are very important. Companies like this often use such presentations to highlight growth strategies, market positioning, and financial performance. Without seeing the presentation itself, we can assume it aims to provide a compelling narrative about the company's value and potential. It's a way to manage expectations and build relationships with those who influence the company's financial trajectory. In conclusion, Regional Management Corp is taking a deliberate step to communicate with its stakeholders through a prepared presentation. This filing serves as official notification that this information is now publicly available. While we don't have the fine details of their financial performance here, we understand the context is about engaging with investors and bankers. It's a signal that the company is active and wants to provide a clear picture of its operations and prospects. Alright, that is our quick decode of this filing from Regional Management Corp. What are your thoughts on this kind of disclosure? Does it signal confidence or is it just routine business? Let us know your opinions in the comments below. If you found this breakdown helpful, please smash that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the corporate world. Also, don't forget to join our growing community on Discord, linked in the description for more exclusive content and discussions. Thanks for watching and well, see you in the next episode of Corporate Decoder.